So hey all, what's up? So today we are at Funnel Growth Summit and I am here met with some amazing people and one of them is Komal Singh and she is a Facebook ad expert and she runs like more than how much what you have done till now?
3 years.
Yeah, 3 years done. So we will get to know about some Facebook ad tips which she can share, like some tips that you can share with the audience and they will get it helpful.
Alright, so basically I'm a Facebook ads expert. So अगर आपके सोशल मीडिया ग्रो नहीं हो रही है या फिर एज अ बिज़नेस, हाँ एज अ बिज़नेस ओनर जब आपके सोशल मीडिया को एक बूस्ट चाहिए होता है, ऑडियंस चाहिए होता है, ज़्यादा ट्रैफिक चाहिए होता है, सो देयर इज़ वेयर माई रोल कम्स ऑन. आई गेट मैक्सिमम ट्रैफिक ऑन योर लाइक वो ट्रैफिक जो एक्चुअली कन्वर्शन लाती है,
Yes.
वो ट्रैफिक जो आपको कन्वर्शन सेल्स लेके आती है. आई गेट दैट ट्रैफिक टू योर वेबसाइट, टू योर
Okay.
social media, to like everything.
Yeah.
So that's what my expertise is, and
Okay.
I help basically in leads. So if you are someone who wants leads for your business, so I can help you.
Yeah,
So
so
that's what
if someone is getting leads, so what are the some important things that he must keep in mind while running a Facebook ad?
While running a Facebook ad, very important that your product should be very good.
Okay.
You should have some testimonials. If you don't have any testimonials, so get the testimonials firstly without running ads. Otherwise traffic आएंगे, उनको कुछ conversion पहले नहीं दिखेगा, so it won't be any like conversion good
Okay.
ratio. So yeah, I'll say the very important part is you should have some testimonials first,
Yeah, sure.
then go for the Facebook ads and right targeting. वो सब technical parts there आते हैं.
Okay, so that's the video. You can use Facebook ads to get leads and we are Funnel Growth Summit and all the here things about funnels. So that is the thing. Okay, goodbye. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.